Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about various features of LPC 1768 controller. Its running frequency is 100 MHz. It is having built-in nested vector interrupt controller, that is NVIC. It will prioritize the interrupts. It is having 512 KB of on-chip flash programming memory, in system programming, that is ISP, and IAP in application programming via on chip bootloader software is also supported. In system programming means the controller is in the system and programming is possible, and in application programming means the controller is programmed in application. Now there are various features related to SRAM. Includes 32 or 16 kilobytes of SRAM on the CPU with local code or data bus for a high performance CPU access. 2 or 1 16 KB SRAM block with separate access path for higher throughput. These SRAM blocks may be used for Ethernet, USB or DMA memory, that is direct memory access, as well as for general purpose CPU instruction and data storage. It is having 8 channel general purpose DMA controller, that is GPDMA. It is having multi-layer AHB matrix interconnected, provides a separate bus for each AHB master. Advanced high performance bus, that is developed by ARM. Serial interfaces include Ethernet MAC with RMII, that is reduce media independent interface, and dedicated DMA control. Second, USB 2.0 full speed device, OTG is also supported. 4 UART with fractional baud rate generation, internal first in first out, and DMA support. CAN bus is also supported, that is CAN 2.0 B controller with 2 channels. This CAN bus is normally used in automotive sectors. SPI controller with synchronous serial full duplex communication and programmable data length. And last one is 2 SSP controller with first in first out and multi protocol capabilities, that is the SSP interface can be used with the GPDMA controller. Now we'll talk about the other peripherals of LPC 1768. It is having 70 general purpose input output GPIO pins, 12-bit ADC with multiplexing amount 8-bit, and conversion rate is up to 200 kilohertz. It is having DAC of 10-bit, 4 general purpose timer counters, and one separate motor controller, that is PWM, with support for 3-phase motor control. RTC with a separate power domain and dedicated RTC controller is also included. And watchdog timer WDT. The WDT can be clocked from the internal oscillator. The other features including standard JTAG debug interface for compatibility with existing tools, integrated PMU, that is power management unit, automatically adjusts internal regulators to minimize the power consumption. So it is having 4 reduce power modes. First one is sleep, second deep sleep, power down, and deep power down. This will really help to minimize the power. Single 3.3 volt power supply, varying from 2.4 to 3.6 volt. Non-maskable interrupt, that is NMI input. The wake up interrupt controller allows the CPU to automatically wake up from any priority interrupt that can occur while the clocks are stopped in deep sleep, power down and deep power down. So wake up interrupt controller is really essential because it is having four power modes, and to interrupt from that four power mode, this wake up interrupt controller is really essential. Next is power on reset. So it is the circuitry which give regulated supply to the system as soon as power get on. So we have discussed various features of LPC 1768 related to memory, serial interface, other interface and some power modes. So let's move to the next video.